I moved harder. I moved harder. When you want me, when you want me. I'm in Dallas, Texas, Johnny.
Yeah. Yeah. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah.
Back then when I was a baby girl, I was yours and you were my world. Good morning, guys. It's moving day. If you didn't know already, if you don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, it'll be here on the screen. I am moving to Texas. I'm moving to Dallas, Texas. And today starts the moving vlog. I wanted to do this vlog style just because I don't know if I'll do like a separate like house tour, because my apartment is pretty small, but hey, we'll see. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. My name is ShekinahChii if you're new. I hope you like it here. People love it here, so I hope you do too. And yeah, look at this mess. I cannot close this suitcase. I have another pink suitcase right there, but we don't have to make this fit, okay? Yeah, basically this whole move has been pretty hectic. I can't move all my stuff in one setting, so the rest of it is getting shipped down to me, but I'm just trying to take the little stuff I can right now. But baby, we gotta make that stuff fit, so I'm gonna do that and I'll talk to you guys later. I'll show you my real outfit later. Jamin's here. He's taking me to the airport. This is so nice. Dallas bound. I don't know if you guys have seen me, but I finally made it to Dallas. Let's move in. I'm in. Guys, I'm in my brand new apartment and this is so crazy. This is considered a luxury apartment. I already know people are gonna get on here and be like, you guys wanna call everything luxury. That's not real luxury. It's listed as a luxury apartment, so we're calling it as such, okay? But yeah, let me give you guys a quick little tour. Now the apartment is pretty small, but it is good enough for me because it's just me living here. But this is the front door. Pretty standard, pretty basic. All the light switches look like this, which I think is pretty cool. What did that turn off? Oh, I think that's pretty cool. And I like how the fixtures aren't like boob fixtures, if you know what I mean. And then we have a little standard small little coat closet. Then here we have a washer and dryer with a bit of storage space. I might just keep like detergent and whatnot up there. And then I think this is a water heater. No light in here, but that's okay, I guess. Coming this way, there's a dining room, but I don't know if I want to use this as a dining room. I really don't know what I want to use this for yet. I kind of want to get a desk and an iMac computer because I don't have like study room or like a filming room or like office space, so I might even get like an L-shaped desk. I don't know, we'll see. And then the kitchen, the kitchen is so beautiful. It is gorgeous. It has this gorgeous black finish sink, has the option to spray or let it, you know, be regular, which I think is pretty cool. The countertops, I have no idea what these are. I don't know if this is granite or like fake marble. I don't know, but it looks really pretty and nice and luxurious and expensive, and I love that. The sink is deep, which I like, but baby, I'm not washing any dishes. Then there's a good amount of storage, which I like, and a dishwasher, but you know, I wash dishes by hand. Coming back this way, there's a freezer with a little ice maker. And then standard little fridge. Standard, you know. More storage, super excited for this. Microwave, stove. I don't like this kind of stove, but I'll take it, you know, it's just my first place. Oven, more storage. Then the living room area so big. There's no light in here, so I might have to get a lamp or something. But this is how it looks. The windows aren't floor to ceiling, but it does take a good amount of the wall, so that's okay. Yeah. Then coming in this way is my bathroom. Me. And then I like it because the lighting in here is amazing. There's 3 light switches right here. This one turns off like these lights. This one turns off the main light. And this one turns on like the vent and whatnot. So yeah, this is the bathroom. The countertop isn't as much space as I would like, but it's okay because I don't really plan on keeping anything out here anyways. With my Alexa, they have the same black finishes throughout.
Connecting to the internet.
Oh, they have the same black finishes throughout the bathroom, even in the sink. And then they also have like a towel rack. And then even a hook on the door, which is nice because I was gonna get like an over the door thing. And then over here is like storage for like towels and whatnot. And then they have like a bigger space on there. Same black towel rod and the shower. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I love this tile. Like, it's just gorgeous. And then this is the shower head and the tub. You guys, I can fit in the tub. Like, come on now, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is so nice. If you know me, I'm a tall girl. I can never fit in the tub like this. So I can even soak if I wanted to. Like, this is nice. Definitely gonna be using this, 100%. So yeah, the bathroom is definitely one of my favorite parts of this apartment. I can't decide whether I like the bathroom more or the kitchen more. But then right through this door is my bedroom. I do have some stuff open because I was going through stuff, but I have the same windows, fairly big. And then this is the size. I do have carpet in here, but that's okay. And then it has a ceiling fan and lights. And the closet really shocked me because I did not know it was a walk-in closet. So I have my dirty Yeezys over there, my Fry London box, and just a few hangers. And this is definitely gonna inspire me to do more shopping. And I love how it's a, what do they call these kind of doors? French doors? French doors, and then there's a light switch for the closet in there. And it's just so nice. I'm obsessed. Yeah, and that's basically it. So that's my apartment. Hope you guys enjoyed, but it's time for you to get out. Just kidding, but yeah. I'm about to go to the store, get an air mattress, get some food, explore. I don't have my car yet because everything is being shipped to me. So yeah, I'm gonna get a head start on editing this video. And yeah, I cannot believe I'm here. This is like kind of surreal, kind of crazy, I can't lie. It doesn't feel real, but I'm here. I'm a Dallas squirrel. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat so you guys can see more of my journey because I'm way more active on there than I am on YouTube, which I am gonna change. Definitely gonna change that. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm about to go on Instagram Live, so follow me on Instagram so you catch my lives. Alright you guys, I'm only sitting on my kitchen counter because I don't have bar stools yet, but I'm wearing my Skims, and is it just me or does anybody else start pilling like this? Like, these are too expensive to be doing this. I don't know if I'm just washing them like on the wrong setting, but I think I need to invest in like one of those depillers on like Amazon because these were too expensive to be doing what they're doing. But yeah, I'm about to edit this apartment tour. You guys will see that, and then after that you'll get my last summer vlog because child, I know it's been forever and I've been saying I was gonna post that for a long time now.
Connected to the internet. Plugging the Echo device.
I moved Prada. What do you want me? What do you want me? I'm in Dallas, Texas, Johnny. What do you want me? I cannot believe this is real. Like this morning I woke up and I was like, wow, I'm really here. I've been wanting to move. Are my boobs getting bigger? Okay. I've been wanting to move to, are my boobs getting bigger? I've been wanting to move to Dallas literally forever. And I'm tired of people saying the whole, oh my God, all Africans move to Texas. Are you mad because you live in a cornfield? Like, It's giving hater, it's giving jealous, like, it's okay. Money want me, I'm in Dallas, Texas, John, Peru, para. I moved para. Money want me, I'm in Dallas, Texas, John. Money want me, I'm in Dallas, Texas, John. Hey. So I've basically been editing all day. I just ordered some food. I'm always so scared somebody's gonna rob me. So I'm investing in a Ring doorbell, but I got some Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna show y'all my Chick-fil-A order. I really need some bar stools, you guys. But yeah, this is why I always order at Chick-fil-A. Kind of cold, but I'm not turning the heat on. So first of all, that's odd. I got a half sweet tea, half lemonade, just to see how it is. Please tell me they gave me a straw. I don't think they did. Large waffle fry, extra napkins. And I got, oh my God, Andy forgot the sauce. I'm gonna cry, I'm so hungry. But it's okay because I have like a portable straw here that I got from MSU. I'm really upset and I'm starving. But thank God for this, I guess. No, it's not bad. I don't hate it. I'm mad, like, I'm kind of upset though with DoorDash, like, they make you tip beforehand. He did not deserve a tip. I mean, okay, I like the tip, but he didn't deserve as generous of a tip as I gave him. So sad I don't have any sauce, but child, I'm hungry. I really need to go to the grocery store. Okay, but I'm gonna eat my food, watch some Bad Girls Club on Hulu, and I'll get back to you guys later, finish editing this vlog. Also, I'm doing a pretty good job, you guys. You gotta give me my props, I'm doing a pretty good job. You guys, I was casually getting ready to go check my mail when the freaking fire alarm started going off. There is a fire. So let me grab my key, grab my butt, and get out of here. So it turns out the apartment is actually on fire. Amazing. The lighting is so bad. Okay, but luckily the fire isn't on my side of the building, so it was safe for us to go back up. But I did manage to pick up my Amazon package. I'll show y'all what I got. Shout out to TikTok, because I did see this on there. So I picked up some sweat block. TikTok made me buy it. Whenever I go out to the club or like, if it's just a long day, I tend to sweat a lot to the point where it like ruins my makeup. So I saw this on TikTok. Basically you use it at night, wash it off in the morning, and you don't sweat for a week. Some people may say that sounds unhealthy, but people are getting Botox in their armpits so they stop sweating and Botox in their face. Look at me. Stepped outside 2 minutes for a freaking fire drill and my face is oily. So I don't want to waste it. It does come with 10 sweat wipes, but I can use one and just see how it works out this week. And I'll keep y'all posted. As for the fire alarm, child, I don't know. I really don't know. Well, you guys, I'm about to redo my makeup. I've set up my camera over there to take one of those cheesy new apartment pictures. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I might have to end this vlog here and then like do a part 2 when I start furniture shopping and grocery shopping. I've just literally been ordering food because the pots and pans I ordered haven't come in yet. But yeah, I'm just doing my makeup, set up my big baby ring light. If you guys saw what I went through carrying this to the airport, you guys would be like, what in the hell? I'm so glad I could bring it with me because I gotta create content. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna take those and then end this vlog. You guys can watch me set up.
And this beat from Cash, not from YouTube. Fuck it up,
Okay guys, so I just took my pictures on Lens Buddy. That's what I use when I don't have anyone to take my pictures. If this would focus, please. These are the pictures I liked. These are the pictures I disliked. As you can see, it takes me a while. Oh, oops. As you can see, it takes me a while. But with Lens Buddy, I like how you can just save the ones that you like. So your camera roll is not flooded. You can just go back and delete them all later. So I'm gonna select all. Select, what is that? 6, 7, 8 pictures. Click this, and then click save 8 images. I'm gonna go and edit them. And you guys can catch me on Instagram. It'll be linked in the description as well as here on the screen. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Come back for part 2. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe so you can see me decorate my apartment and go shopping and just do a bunch of fun things. And yeah, that's all. See you guys next time. Bye.